aircraft oxygen system are characterized by its regulator. Continuous flow regulator are provided for the flight crew and passengers. Pressure demand regulators are provided only to the crew. Continuous flow oxygen system. A simple system whereby oxygen are designed to flow from storage cylinder through valve, regulator and reducer. These components are attached to the top of the storage cylinder. Pressure of these oxygen gas are reduced and supplied to the passenger through hose and masks. Once valve is opened, oxygen flow continuously, regardless of the user breathing. Many continuous flow oxygen system have fixed oxygen cylinder location, with plumbing installed through to the crew and passengers station. On the aircraft, pressure relief valve, filter and pressure gauge are also provided. Flow rate control, or by a calibrated orifice, located before or upstream of the masks. Larger orifice are provided for the crew and passengers needing medical aid to ensure oxygen saturation in their blood. To prevent waste of oxygen gas due to continuous flow, rebreather apparatus are used. In this apparatus, leftover oxygen on exhale are captured in a bag or cannula with oxygen absorbing reservoir. This captured oxygen may then be inhaled with the next breathing. This fixed oxygen storage are provisioned with external charging facilities accessible from oxygen servicing panel. This charging facilities comprise of charging valve to enable charging and isolating the source, filter to ensure clean supply of oxygen gas, a check valve to prevent reverse flowing of oxygen gas back into the charging source. The oxygen storage cylinder are connected to the high pressure section of the system through a shut-off valve. This valve will be used to control and isolate the cylinder from the rest of the system. Once this valve is open, oxygen will be made available to the passengers. Oxygen flow from the storage cylinder are made to pass through a filter to ensure clean supply. A pressure gauge is connected to the system at a point downstream of the filter to indicate cylinder pressure in the cockpit. Further downstream in the system, oxygen pressure is reduced to about 60 to 85 psi from the cylinder pressure of 850 psi by a pressure reducer. A pressure relief valve is provided to ensure pressure within this low-pressure oxygen system remain at this design level. At any time this pressure exceed the design level, the relief valve will open and oxygen will be discharged through a green blowout disc. This disc is located at the outside of the aircraft, where it will be easily seen during pre-flight ground walk-around check. The continuous flow oxygen system regulator will regulate the oxygen supply pressure to the mask. The oxygen supply to the mask is passed through calibrated orifice. The mask for the passengers are located at the Passengers Service Unit, PSU. Pilot will be able to control deployment of this mask from the cockpit. Oxygen flow will ultimately available to the passenger when